Hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook page. First and foremost, I'm going to log into my Facebook page. This is my my Facebook app. This is my Facebook app. So I'm going to log into this app. Inside my app, I'm going to click on this place. I'll click here. I'll scroll. Sometimes I'll click on pages. Sometimes these pages can be down, so if you click here, if you come to your own dashboard and it's not here, you scroll down to check because the position changes. So when I click on pages, it will bring me here. I already have too many pages. I'm not actually using all of them. I created some of them for teaching purposes. So now I'm here. I'm going to click on create. That is here. When I click here, I'll click on get started. I'll click on add page name. Which page? Okay, let me use this name. I'm just creating this for this teaching purpose. I'm not using the page for anything. So when I click I've entered my page name, I'll click on next. So here it's asking what category, like what type of page are you creating? That is, what are you going to use your page for? Let me say that you're using your page for health and beauty, that is skincare. You will choose health and beauty. If you're using your page for anything, search for what you're using your page for so you can enter it. Then I'll click here. I want to use my page for content creation, so I can enter digital creator. Then I'll click on create. I think my network is poor. It's taking much time. Okay. Here Facebook is asking me to describe my products. That is you have created okay, here I've created my page. Facebook is asking what best describes my goal, that is what I want to achieve with the page. The first one is asking promote your products or services, that is if you want to use your page to sell your products or stuff like that. Second option is create contents and connect with fans. That's for content creators. So I'm using my page to create contents, so I'm going to click on create content. I'll click on continue. I've actually created my page now, as you can see. So the remaining thing is to add my profile picture here. If I want to add my profile picture, I'll click here. I'll click on this camera icon here to add it. I can also add my cover page picture. I can click here to add my cover page picture. Click on this camera icon, it will take you to your gallery, select the picture you want to add.